Bulldog negative air machine from Abatement Technologies is designed as a powerful solution for helping reduce contaminants in controlled environments. The BD2KM and BD2KMA are built for abatement and remediation, critical environment protection, disaster restoration, healthcare construction, and many more industries. The BD2KM has a built-in, high-performance, 2-speed motor capable of giving up to 2,000 CFM at high speed. It comes equipped with 2 pre-filter stages and a HEPA filter that captures a minimum of 99.97% of particles at 0.3 microns in size. Our HEPA filters are individually tested and certified to ensure maximum filter efficiency in each unit. An optional 12-inch HEPA filter is available to replace the included 6-inch HEPA filter, as well as a carbon filter to help eliminate environmental odors, gases, and vapors. Other features include an equipped change filter indicator lamp, multiple airflow settings, user-friendly controls, and superior mobility. The polyethylene cabinet is easy to clean and decontaminate after your job is complete. 3 filters are housed within a drop-down door in the front of the unit. The electrical safety is NRTL certified to comply with US Standard 507 and CAN/CSA Standard C22.2 number 113-M1984 and UL 94HB for flammability requirements of polymer cabinets housing energized electrical components. The optional BD2KMA model includes an additional large 5-inch diameter differential pressure gauge and an audio change filter alarm. The Bulldog negative air machine is lightweight, mobile, and virtually indestructible. 4 heavy-duty casters, 2 fixed and 2 locking swivel provide optimal maneuverability. The Bulldog negative air machine is an impressive addition to help your particulate preventative products reduce contaminants in harmful environments. For more information, contact an Abatement Technologies representative and we will provide you with the tools that you need to successfully complete your projects.